theme for today is energy and transportation. Nowadays, in the modernizing world, both types of energy and the means of transportation are critical, but there are some drawbacks to it. Let's talk about it. Nowadays, the most common means of transportation are automobiles, followed by buses and railways and etc. The most common thing among them is that all of these things are mostly fuel powered, which has one major drawback: carbon emission, which later aids in the greenhouse effect in warming the planet and melting the glaciers and so on. A second drawback here is road accidents. Now, that's not something technology can control, but it can surely reduce it. Now that we are aware of the problems, let's move to the solutions part of it.
Our solution to the first problem, which was carbon emissions, is relatively simple and kind of inspired by one of the current solutions to this problem.
CNGs mainly explode due to improper fitting of the CNG kit or overfueling the fuel cylinder, which leads to leakage of gas, resulting in fire and bursting of the cylinder. To this, we came up with a simple solution. The idea is to just simplify the process of fitting a CNG kit and auto-fueling of fuel in a CNG tank, just like how it is done in a petrol car at a petrol pump, where the machine fills the fuel and automatically stops once it reaches a certain limit and has filled the tank completely. With this, we solve the major problem of bursting of CNG vehicles completely.
To the second problem, which is reducing road accidents, is divided into two parts.
So the first way we can reduce road accidents is by allowing newer drivers to experience driving through virtual reality. Virtual reality is a very powerful tool that allows newer drivers to experience driving in a new way. It allows them to practice certain situations and get more comfortable with them. It allows them to build more awareness about the road and how to avoid accidents. The second part of our solution is by including more technology into our vehicles, like adding LiDAR sensors and cameras around our cars. These cameras would scan at 150 degrees and would make sure if there are any objects nearby. And if the car is above 40 km per hour, it would automatically apply the brakes when it notices an object so it doesn't hit it. And if the car is below 40 km per hour, it will show a caution sign to the driver so they can apply the brakes and avoid the object.